No precipitation has fallen. Sunset tonight is at 5.
This is the National Weather Service office in Tulsa. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA Weather Radio all-hazards public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by this signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and a receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between the hours of 10 a.m. and 12 noon local time. If there's a risk of severe weather, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. Reception of the broadcast and especially the warning alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: in Oklahoma, Adair, Atoka, Bryan, the Craig, the Cherokee, Choctaw Creek, the Cold, Delaware, Haskell, Hughes, Latimer, LaFleur, Mays, McIntosh, Muskogee, Nowata, Okfuskee, Okmulgee, Osage, Ottawa, Pawnee, Pittsburgh, Pushmataha, Rogers, Sequoia, Tulsa, Wagner, and Washington. In Arkansas, Benton, Carroll, Crawford, Franklin, Logan, Madison, Scott, Sebastian, and Washington. In Missouri, McDonald and Berry counties, and in Kansas, Chautauqua, Labette, and Montgomery counties. This concludes this week's test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Public Warning System. We now return to our normal programming.